Hey everyone, welcome to Miss Tuesday's Closet. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, specifically a Saint Laurent unboxing. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So I got this bag from Selfridges and Company, and if you guys didn't know, it's a high-end department store in the UK. Their prices are cheaper, although you do have to pay for customs and tax if it's over $800, and also $30 for each shipping, or you can pay $55 for unlimited shipping for a year. And this is going to be a true unboxing, so let's go ahead and open the box. So when you first open it, it'll be in this bright yellow interior and it has Selfridges in the inside, and it's some paper wrapping that's also yellow, very bright and very happy color. There she is. It does come with the dust bag, but no box or shopping bag. I checked. I'm so happy and so excited. So here's what I got. Ta-da! I got the medium Kate in black with the silver hardware. She is so pretty. As you can see, they don't come with any feet and comes in calfskin leather with a snap flap closure. It has a protective sticker on the button, and it also has some foam to protect the leather. And I don't know why, but Saint Laurent bags always kind of smell like chemicals when you first open them. It has stuffing to keep its shape, which I'll keep for storage. And I'll take off the coverings to show you guys what the chain looks like. Okay, here you go. So it's all silver all around. And for a closer look, you can also see that it has silver rings on top that has Saint Laurent written on them. And no pockets on the back. It also comes with a silver lock just so it doesn't get detached from the bag, and it has protective stickers as well. It comes with one inside pocket and some care cards. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase. It only took 2 days to process and then another 2 days to ship, and I saved over $600. I will do a review on this in the future once I have enough time to use it and play with it. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!